Well, and the interesting thing here also,
going through.
Spain does go through here. Jorge Zaragoza, their teammate, is all the way back in 37th at the moment.
Oh, and he goes down! And Lonka goes down! Drama! As Valentin crashes out, Lonka goes down as well. So 2 guys go out. Ireland are going to qualify. All of a sudden, with 2 to go, we're just talking about how hard a ride. Okay, and the Valentin. This was his pass on Lukasz Lonka, just on Jasikonis. Went down the inside. That was just a couple of laps ago. That was the bar banging. That was the elbows we were talking about, Jeff. Lonka was looking behind, thinking, okay, this is going to be close. And then watch this. Up over the waves. Got it wrong.
Oh, that was his own mistake.
And then he goes down. Lonka tried to pick the wheel up off the side of the bike.
Gives a little burst of the throttle and sends it into one of our television cameras here. Oh, so frustrating. Valentin had such a great ride going.
And